Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing just great. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Mine was perfect. Couldn't ask for anything better. You're seeing now in front of me or in front of you or on your screen or whatever, the Mick Mars Star guitar, which in this case is basically a complete custom now because the original has red webbing. This one's got, as you can see, green webbing. And the original has a black background as far as we know. We don't know yet exactly because we can't find the damn thing online anywhere to really find out. Now, I got a feeling, Mick Mars back in the day, I guess, was going through some hard times as far as money goes. And I got a feeling he sold the damn thing. But no one could find it. It's not on the internet. There's a couple of people that I've talked to about this that know a little bit about it, not much at all. So this could be the only one of its kind right now, other than a photo that was from the 80s. And it's damn near on the money as far as that guitar goes, which is pretty damn cool for me because this was my first body build ever. And I really picked a doozy as far as having a first body build. Luckily that, measure 100 times and cut once to make sure that you have things the way they're supposed to be. So this worked out really, really good. And so far, I would flip this over to show you the back of it, but the pickup is kind of floating inside its cavity right now. The bridge is mounted, the electronics are installed, output jack is there. I have to put the two strap locks on there, but I'm kind of wondering, what should I do at this point? Because at this point, I've got a question. The question's for the owner, basically, of this. Here you see it without the pickup ring. I like it. I mean, it looks good. It's clean. The lines go into the green pickup and stuff, and it looks really good. But then when you throw the pickup ring on here, still looks good. Damn it. I was hoping it looked ugly. Now the pickup and the pickup ring match a lot better than the webbing does with both. The webbing is close to the same color as far as this ring goes, but not exactly. And that's my bad. What I should do, I forgot I had a brand new set of, I think these are called Crusaders or Crushers or something like that. And I have a brand new set of them. I forgot I even have a red set that are underneath the counter over here that I bought a while back and just kind of forgot about. Like I said, I got stuff here that after looking for a certain part, I find other stuff that I've forgotten I had. So that works out really good. So like this wire here, I was down to my last of the wire that I use, which is the cloth braided, and it's the solid wire, not stranded. And then I find another spool, brand new in the package, behind me. It's like, okay, I didn't even know I had that. So this is the little dilemma that I got going on right now, is with the pickup ring or without the pickup ring? That is the question. All right, you guys, take it easy, have a good one, and I will catch up with you all later. You guys enjoy your weekend. I know I will. Take care.